So hello guys, so after installing that app, so this is what you have to do. So you open the application. As soon as it opens, all you have to do is to keep on clicking next, and finish. So now this is the interface. This is how it works. See this menu right here, you just have to do is to click it. All the options there, we're going to explore it later, but currently now you focus on the text editor, this last option here. You can see it. You click on it. As soon as you click on it, you carry to this interface. This is the place where we type our code. So the first thing you have to do is you scroll down here until you see this HTML snippet, this very one here. So I'll click on it now. You see automatically it creates all our HTML template for us. All these things you're supposed to type it, but on this shortcut we just type them for us and we edit it and start working from there to save us time. So all I have to do now is to change my page title. I'll call my page Introduction to HTML. So what I will do is I want to create a tag. So I want to create a h1 tag. So I'll click on this angle bracket here. I'll write h1 and close angle bracket. Automatically closes for me. So this is what I will do. I will type this the first class practical then I'll create a paragraph. So you can see, if you can see, there's some defined code here that have already been made, like the div, the a, the img, the classes, they're all there. So to save you time, if you see anyone that you want to use and they're there, just select it. I want to type paragraph. Instead of me to start typing it manually, I'll just click on this. You see, automatically it creates it for me. So what I'll do is my name is David Henry. So you can see now this is what I just want to do for a start. The next step is to save our file. How to save our file is, you see this button here, this very button here, you click on it. Now it will take you to this interface. The interface, first of all, the first option is said workspace, save to workspace. So select the folder where you want to. As soon as you select this, it will ask you this question to allow access to photo, media and files on your device. You said allow, click on allow. When you click on allow, to take you to your phone storage. Now inside your phone storage, you can either do two things. It's either you create a folder, or you save it to any of this folder you want. If you want to select any folder, all you have to do is to let me use this empty2 here and just click on it. You see automatically it has changed to that folder. Then you save our file. So I will call the name of this my file intro. Remember to always add .html. If not, if you don't add .html, it will save it as an ordinary document and it will not be rendered your browser. If you observe this, there's this logo here, it will automatically change as soon as I delete the .html. So now seeing it as an ordinary document until I add the HTML, you see, seeing it as a code. So that is it. So you save it. Now my file has been saved. If you observe, the color has changed, trying to tell me that okay, fine, the browser or this editor understand that this code is HTML, because initially we were typing, there was no name on it, we did not define it. So now what we have to do is to click on this next button, this play button here. It means to view it. We want to view our work. So you click on it. If you can see, this is what we just designed. All that code we just typed just now, this is the effect. Now, if you can see at the top, sorry. So if you can see at the top, there's an introduction file here. So look at it. Introduction to HTML. That was the title of the page. Let me look at it in our browser so that you see it. So you can see this is what you're supposed to do. I want you to do this as your assignment, and you upload your screenshots on the group. Before our 8 o'clock class today, I want us to do this. I will upload more videos tonight, so you guys will work on those, because remember I said everything is practical. I'm going to do practical all through. So thank you for your time.